Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. In the previous video, we were studying about the sex determination. In today's video, we will start with another most important and very interesting topic, that is mutation. So what is mutation? Mutation is nothing but there will be sudden change in the genetic material or the DNA. We call them as mutation. So every day we are hearing about COVID new variants, right? So coronavirus new variant, first wave, second wave, third wave, we have been hearing about since from many it's been 2 years now, right? So what is happening to the coronavirus? Okay, it is also undergoing mutation. So its genetic material, that is also undergoing mutation. That is why the new variants are produced. That is what we call them first wave, second wave, third wave. That means new variants are being produced. Okay. So mutation, it is just a simple topic that is prescribed in your syllabus, okay, but it is a wide and widest topic in the genetics, and people do PhD on many kinds of mutations, many in many different populations. Okay, so what are these mutations then? Okay, mutation is nothing but a sudden change occurring in the DNA sequences. It is a heritable change. Okay, heritable means it will be inherited from one generation to another generation. So the sudden heritable change occurring in the DNA sequences that results changes in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. Okay, recombination and mutation leads to variation in the DNA. So then what is this sudden change and what are these DNA sequences? As we have studied during the inheritance, Mendelian inheritance and non-Mendelian inheritance, we represented genes as the pair of alleles, right? So like this we represented, and we got to know how they inherited, right? So now ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, while studying the Mendelian laws, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, genes ಅನ್ನ alleles ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Okay, so ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, we represented them in the form of alphabets, and we studied how it is inherited. Okay, so now the genes, that means the DNA sequences in the DNA. So it is DNA, double stranded. So in the DNA there will be the sequences. That means there will be different base pairs, we will call them. Nitrogenous bases will be there. That means adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Like that there are different chemical components. Okay, so nitrogenous bases we call them. These are the codes, okay, that are present in the DNA sequences. So such code, so like there might be any kind of code that will represent one gene. So you just have to, it is in depth. If you study, you will study it in the molecular basis of DNA. Okay, so here you just have to know that the DNA, what it is, deoxyribonucleic acid, right? So this is the full form of DNA, and what it is consisting of, the DNA is consisting of the nucleotide base pairs. Okay, nucleotides, nitrogenous base pairs you will be having. Okay, so these will be in the form of codes. Okay, so if there is a sudden change in the code, okay, so just remember there will be alphabet. So A, B, C, D alphabet. If there is sudden change, and if instead of after A, B there is some D or E, if it comes and adds, so what it will be, A, B, E, C, D. So even though there is one extra E, it is getting added, it is changing the whole sequence, right? The same thing is happening. So mutation is nothing but what, the DNA will have codes. Okay, the DNA will have what, genes, they will have codes, and if there is sudden change in that code, it will result in change in the genotype. That means genes will be changed. The genotype will be changed. Okay. And then if the genotype is changing, then phenotype of the organism will also change. Okay, genes change agate andre enagtೈತಿ, genotype change agate, genes change agudandrena, so there will be some modifications in the genes. Okay, so genes change agatೈತಿ, genotype change agatೈತಿ andre ಏನು what genotype will result in phenotype, so the phenotype will also change. Okay, so the mutation is nothing but the DNA will have the sequences, so it will be, we call them as nitrogenous bases or nucleotides. So these sequences, if there is sudden change in the DNA sequence, as you can see here, there is some sequence of DNAs here, but there is sudden change in the DNA sequence, and that if there is sudden change in the DNA sequence, then the genotype and phenotype of an organism will change. This we call it as mutation. As we have studied, recombination is nothing but where the crossing over between the chromosomes will occur. So recombination and mutation, it leads to variation in the DNA. Okay, recombination we studied, no, where the recombination will lead to different varieties. Okay, so recombination, as well as in the, here we have seen Morgan's experiment, linkage and recombination. So where there is more linkage, then the recombination will be less. If there is more recombination and less linkage, then variants will be more. So that we have studied. Therefore, the mutation and recombination leads to the variation in the DNA. So what is type of mutation? So just you have to remember that mutation is nothing but sudden change in the DNA sequences. Okay, so this mutation is of two types. One is point mutation, another is frame shift mutation. So what is point mutation? It is the mutation due to the change in the DNA in a single base pair of the DNA. So example, sickle cell anemia. So here see, it is the original sequence. If you think this is an original sequence, when the DNA yardo extract madire adrolag original sequence ಐತಿ ಹಿಂಗ. So ಈ sequence ಒಳಗ ಏನೈತಿ, TGGA CATCAAT ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ, ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ T, C is getting added. T ತೆಗೆದೇನಾಗತೈತಿ, C is getting added. ಸೊ C ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾತ, ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ point mutation. Okay, so it is a mutation due to the change in the single base pair of the DNA. One single base pair, ಇದೇನು ಕರಿತೇವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ A? ಸೊ what is the composition, how it looks? So everything you are going to study in the molecular basis of DNA, like that in that chapter. Okay, so the single base pair, if it is changing, then we call it as the point mutation. So it is, example is sickle cell anemia. So this is the disorder or disease caused by the point mutation. Okay, so this is enough for your board exams, but in your NEET as well as CET exams you may be asked for missense, nonsense and silent mutations. Okay, so point mutations are having three types: silent mutations, nonsense mutations and missense mutations. Okay, so next we will study the second type, frame shift mutation. So it is the deletion or insertion of base pairs resulting in the shift of the DNA sequences. Okay, so there is a insertion, that means add agodu. So or deletion andre remove agodu. So DNA sequence ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿತ್ವಲ್ಲ, sequence ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಲೀಟರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So deletion or insertion of the base pair resulting in the shifting of the DNA sequence. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ DNA sequence ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So this is why we call it as frame shift mutation. Okay, loss that means deletion or gain means insertion or duplication. Duplication ಅಂದ್ರೆ loss ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, DNA sequences delete ಆದ್ರೆ loss ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So deletion ಆತಂದ್ರೆ loss ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ and insertion or duplication. So whether there will be some insertion or duplication. ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ sequence duplicate, ಎರಡು time duplicate ಆಗತ್ತಾವ. So that is also gain. So insertion or duplication of DNA segment cause the chromosomal abnormalities or aberrations. Okay, so that will cause the chromosomal abnormalities. So chromosomal aberrations are seen in cancer cells. So cancer cells, it is because of the chromosomal aberrations or mutations only. Okay, due to the change in the DNA sequence only the cancers will cause. Okay, so here you can see here. Okay, here there is a reading frame. Okay, so what is happening here in the reading frame, there is one normal protein product. So what do you mean by this? This is one reading frame, that is these many nucleotide base pairs are in the normal situation, they will produce the protein. So what is the meaning of gene? Genes will produce what? Help in expression and in production of some proteins. Okay, so ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅದ, ಆ ಜೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಬಾಡಿ ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಐ ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎನಿ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇನ್ production of protein. Protein may be enzyme or hormones or anything, any normal protein, right? So ಈಗ ಈ gene sequence normal ಇದ್ದಾಗ normal protein product ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಲಾನಿನ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಮೆಲಾನಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್, ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ if there is one point mutation, then there will be abnormal protein, but still it will be functional. So point mutation sometimes ena jasti, sometimes very few times enagtati it will produce a completely abnormal protein, but most of the times abnormal protein, but still adenagatati function agatati, it is still functioning. Okay, kelsak baratiti innu even though abnormal idru edraga point mutation, because only one single base pair is changed here. C badlu ಏನು add ಆಗತೈತಿ, G add ಆಗತೈತಿ. But in case of frame shift mutation, that you can see here, so there is deletion and there is new reading frame. Okay, so there is disrupt reading frame here. Okay, so point deletion. So here ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ, complete truncated protein product add form ಆಗತೈತಿ. Okay, it will result in truncated protein product. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಈ ತರ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಯೋಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ then what will happen, that will not help in functioning of the biochemical reactions, proper agi functioning body ಒಳಗೆ functioning ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So that will lead to some diseases, okay, disorders. So that we call it as frame shift mutation. So here it is just an example, very very important for your NEET and CET point of view. Okay, so for your board exams, the whatever I have taught you, what is frame shift mutation, that you need to know. But here you just see what is normal gene substitution, what is insertion, deletion and inversion. So think this is the normal gene sequence. Okay, DNA ಒಳಗೆ normal DNA sequence ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. And now there is instead of B, F is getting added. That means what? Instead of B is replaced by F. That means substitution. Okay, so this we call it as substitution mutation. So here there is R which is getting added. So normal gene, there is R in between which is getting added. Then it has become, instead of beast, it has become breast. See, even though there is a single letter differing, getting added or removed, so many different meaning only it is giving, right? So beast, now it has become breast just by adding one R. So it is called as insertion. Now beast, you are removing A. So from beast you are removing A. Then what it is becoming? It is giving you best. Okay, so and that is what we call it as deletion. Okay, so inversion is nothing but you are just inverting these two letters. So it is ST, it is there, you are inverting it to TS. So what it became now? Beats. Okay, so that means even though you are just inverting, you are just adding one letter, you are just removing one letter, the whole meaning is only getting changed, right? So this is what will happen, the same kind of thing what will happen even in the DNA sequence. So you might be like, here for your convenience we have expressed in the form of letters, but in the DNA level and in protein level, if you see, then it will result in the complete different changes. See here, only one point mutation, if you see, there is abnormal protein, just one letter replace ಆಗಿ add ಆಗತ್ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ addition ಆಗತ್ರ point mutation ಆಗತ್ರ abnormal protein produce ಆಗತೈತಿ. And even one deletion ಆಗತ್ರ what is happening, frame shift ಆಗಿ truncated protein produce ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not useful, okay, or it is not functioning properly. So this is the effect of mutation. Okay, so what are mutagens then? Okay, so heng mutation cause agati. What is the cause of mutation? Mutation edak agtiti? So that is because of the mutagens. Okay, sudden agi DNA yavattu change agala. Ee tara sequence naven helidvi, deletion, insertion, inversion, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಂಥ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ, ಏನೋ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ DNA ರೆಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟಾಜೆನ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟಾಜೆನ್ಸ್? ಮ್ಯೂಟಾಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ agents that induce mutation. So mutagens ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಸಮ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ DNA ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಮ್ಯೂಟಾಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So there are two types of mutagens. One is physical mutagen and chemical mutagens. So what are physical mutagens? There might UV radiations, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, X-rays, etc. We call them as physical mutagens. Okay, so what are chemical mutagens? Mustard gas, phenol, formalin, acetic acid, formic acid, NH3, etc. are called as chemical mutagens. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆರ್ ಏನೋ ಯಾವುದೋ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. DNA ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? change ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, that we have studied here. So that means they will cause some diseases. It may cause ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಹಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಕ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಸನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೈ UV radiations that will cause the mutations. So it may lead to cancer also. So many chemical compounds. That is the reason you might have seen in the laboratories, whoever will work, they will put the gloves, they will put the mask, they will put the apron, and then they will do their work. You might have observed. Why? Because they will be dealing with such chemical compounds. If by chance, if any case, if they are continuously getting exposed to these chemical, maybe physical mutagens or chemical agents, then it is possibility that they will cause the mutation, that means sudden change in the DNA, and that will lead to what? Some really bad effect. Okay, it will lead to disease, chromosomal aberrations it will lead to, or mutations. Okay, so these are the types of mutagens. So these will cause the mutations in the DNA, and you can see here even they will say you should not do X-rays, regularly. Okay, so you should not get exposed to X-rays, okay, so often. So the reason is because these rays will help. See here, there is DNA, normal DNA, and there is some radiation coming, and it is disturbing the DNA sequence. Okay, so such things will happen. So mutagens are nothing but the agents which cause the mutation, or which induce the mutation. So two types of mutagens you should know. So as though it is a very common and very simple concept, it is compulsory, it is 100% will be asked in your NEET exams. Okay, so you should know. Next we will move to the next topic, that is pedigree analysis. So mutations, as we have studied, it is just the change in the sequence, heritable change in the DNA sequence. It will lead to a change in the genotype as well as phenotype, and types of mutagens, physical mutagens and chemical mutagens.